In this video, we will be looking at the required steps to route a subaward proposal. If you are submitting a subaward proposal to another institution, rather than submitting the proposal system to system to an agency like NIH, the proposal can still be entered and routed through Coeus. In this example, I have two attachments that I will be using. The first document is a PDF, which includes the statement of work and budget justification. The second document is the statement of intent to enter into a consortium agreement, which we will generate later and use as a placeholder for the signed letter of intent. We will have to build a budget and upload the necessary attachments to the proposal prior to routing the proposal. I am now going to log into Coeus and will enter a proposal in progress that I have created for this subaward proposal. You'll notice that I have entered all of the necessary required fields on the general info page. Please note that because this is a subaward proposal, that the agency sponsor field and the prime sponsor field must be completed. The agency sponsor field must be completed to save the proposal, so I already entered Boston University as our agency sponsor, as we are submitting this proposal to Boston University. I will now fill the prime sponsor field. The prime sponsor is the agency where our agency sponsor will be submitting their proposal to, in this case, NIH. You'll notice from the investigator's key person screen that I am the only investigator on the proposal. I am going to navigate to the Others screen. In the Prime PI field, I am going to enter the name of the Prime PI at the lead institution, Boston University. Click Save. To save time, I already entered a budget, answered the yes/no questions, and certified as the PI. We'll now visit the print screen. To print a formatted version of the budget that was entered in Coeus, under Sponsored Form Packages, click on Generic Proposal Forms. From there, you will select the checkboxes for the budget summary periods, and then hit the Print Selected button. A formatted PDF of your budget will be generated, and you can submit to the agency sponsor, Boston University. If you need to provide the R&R subaward budget to the agency sponsor, please work with your RAF grant officer to provide the required form. Next, I'm going to generate our letter of intent placeholder. Under Sponsored Form Packages, I am going to click on Institutional Forms. Our prime sponsor is submitting to NIH, so I'm going to select the checkbox for NIH Consortium Agreement form, then click Print Selected. That will generate the statement of intent to enter into a consortium agreement. You'll notice that key proposal data has been entered into the form. I'm going to save the form and will later upload it in the attachment screen. We are going to navigate to the Upload Attachment screen. By default, you will be brought to the Upload Proposal Attachment screen. Click the Attachment Type drop-down menu and select Narrative. Enter a description for the attachment. Proposal documents should work fine. Browse for the PDF attachment with the statement of work and budget justification that we mentioned earlier. Click the Complete box and click the Save button. Now click on the Upload Institutional Attachments tab. Click the Attachment Type drop-down menu and click Other Institutional Attachment. Enter a description, in this case, Statement of Intent form. Browse to locate the Letter of Intent form that we just created. Click the Complete checkbox, then click Save. You will now be able to submit your subaward proposal for approval.